I wanted to take this opportunity on a display build to show the importance of a setting bed that will drain water away from your paving stones, and show you, even though we haven't had a rain event in days, it's incredibly dry in Western PA. You can see that our number 8 setting bed in this section of the display is absolutely bone dry. Dusty, chalky, no moisture whatsoever. If we go to just the first paving stone that has been laid for a week, I will pick this ligonier up and we can see the moisture that's under that paving stone. You can see it glistening in the sun, water droplets. We could keep going on down the line. Each paving stone, first one in on an open graded setting bed, still has moisture in that setting bed material adjacent to our pavers. This is why we do not want to use a setting bed material that does not drain. So stone dust is out. Direct lay on concrete, never. They won't allow that water to escape. There's no air in that setting bed to allow for expansion and contraction of water that may freeze in a freeze-thaw cycle. We don't want moisture in our setting bed long term. You can see that this stone is wet. There is some sand mixed in there. This is from a poly sand removal of our previous display material, but these stones are wet but not saturated. If this was a sand setting bed or a stone dust setting bed, even worse, it would be saturated and it would have too much moisture in it, causing problems, efflorescence, soft joints, and pavement failure over time. So good quality setting bed like a number 8 stone, a number 9 stone, a washed concrete sand will allow that water to get out of that system and away from our paving stones.